So now we come to our vote. After the vote, we will have, for anyone who wants to talk about why they voted and the caveats that are attached to their vote, we will have a chance for anyone who wants to do that to do so. Now I think I have to read it for the record. Is that correct, Kathleen?
Yes, that is correct.
For the record, based on the totality of scientific evidence available, do the benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine when administered as a 2-dose series, 10 micrograms each dose, 3 weeks apart, outweigh its risks for use in children 5 to 11 years of age?
Thank you, Dr. Monto, for reading that aloud. And just to provide some guidance before we bring up the voting poll, we do have 18 voting members today and 1 non-voting industry representative attending the meeting. So only these 18 voting members, excluding the industry representative as seen on this slide, should be voting. If you are not an official voting member, please refrain as your vote will not be counted. In regards to the voting process, Dr. Monto already read the question aloud for the record, so all of the members and temporary voting members will cast their vote by selecting one of the voting options, yes, no, or abstain. You'll have 2 minutes to cast your vote, and once all of the votes have been placed, we will then broadcast the results, and I will read the votes aloud for the record. And please note that once you've cast your vote, you may change it within the 2-minute time frame. However, once the poll has closed, all votes will be considered final. So unless anybody has any questions, we can pull up the voting pod, please. Great. So the poll is up, and if you can please cast your votes at this time. Okay, it looks like all votes are in, so we can now broadcast the results, and I will read the votes aloud for the record. Dr. Moore voted yes. Dr. Wharton voted yes. Dr. Perlman voted yes. Dr. Sawyer voted yes. Dr. Nelson voted yes. Dr. Levy voted yes. Dr. Fuller voted yes. Dr. Hildreth voted yes. Dr. Krohn voted yes. Dr. Portnoy voted yes. Dr. Pergam voted yes. Dr. Lee voted yes. Dr. Offit voted yes. Dr. Monto voted yes. Dr. Carilla abstained. Dr. Meisner voted yes. Dr. Rubin voted yes. Dr. Gans voted yes. So this concludes the vote. Out of 18 voting members, 17 voted yes, and we had 1 abstain. Thank you, Dr. Monto. I will turn it back to you for the voting explanation.